Hello everyone, we have some good news in Photoshop. Now we have a new feature which lets you delete empty layers and automatically renames layers based on context. And we have it right here at the bottom. It's called layer cleanup. And this feature is only available in Photoshop Beta 27.6, which is this. Go to apps, beta, and you can download, or if you want to update, you can just update from right here. You can see some of my application need to be updated, especially for the beta programs. So I did this manipulation maybe years ago, and I have bunch of layers. I don't even know what's going on here. So I want to use that tool to rename all those layers. Let's do that. So I have tried with entire document, but it shows that the max layers it can rename is 200. Since we have more than 200 layers, I'll just select few layers and we'll show you what it does actually. So let's select from here to, let's say here. So all of those layers will be renamed. I'll click layer cleanup, and from entire document, since we have selected few layers, we will select selected layers. Now you can choose delete empty layers. If you have, hit apply. And with just second, it did the job. If I press Ctrl+G, you can see those. This one is called layer 6 copy, and now it is renamed automatically. So you see this layer, it says 2 black dots and white background. If I just enable this, you can see nothing is here, but we have 2 dots. You can see it right here, like it detects the tiny dot that isn't even visible 100%. So even if we make the opacity 100%, you can see still it's not super dark, and it did a really good job, I'll say. Man with sword, outdoors copy. And if you want, you can just select more layers. Of course, if you have more than 200 layers. Let's see what it says if we want to rename our entire documents, and hit apply. You can see layer cleanup supports up to 200 layers at a time. Please select fewer layers and try again. So this was it for this video, guys. Try out the feature and let me know in the comment what you think about it.